Listen to this.
If God doesn't like sin, why did he create the tree of the knowledge of good and evil?
That is very important to ask that. Now you have to listen carefully because this is an important answer. So what you're saying is, if God hates sin, why did he allow something that could cause sin to happen? The answer is because the most important thing in the entire universe is the glory of God. And listen, if there were no sin, there would be no forgiveness. And God wants to display his forgiveness. He wants to display his mercy. He wants to display his kindness. He wants to display his grace. He wants to show that he is a saving God. He wants to display his holiness. And he wants to display his holiness to the degree that he wants to display his right to judge evil. How can God do all of that if evil doesn't exist? So there's a sense in which God has to allow evil in the world in order to put his glory on display in its fullest sense. You understand that? Good. Everything in the end is for the glory of God. And you ask the question, why does God allow evil? For his glory. So that he can put his glory on display not only to us but to the holy angels as well.